Let's discuss this MCQ. The question given is, in Winter's word line, amber line represents which of the following? The options are relative depth of third molar, point of application of the elevator, bone level covering the impacted tooth, and axial inclination of the impacted tooth relative to second molar. So in question they are mentioning about the word line. Basically the word line is given by George Winter in order to assess the difficulty level in extracting your mandibular third molar. WAR stands for white, amber and red line. So let's see what are the significance of these three lines. Now let's look at this diagram very clearly. It's not a accurate diagram, but it depicts a mesioangular impaction, right? So we need to assess the difficulty level according to the word line given by Winter. So the first line is white line. Okay, the white line should be drawn on the occlusal level of the second molar and it should be extended to the third molar in this way. So with the help of white line, we could be able to understand the difference in the occlusal level of second and third molar. So now what about amber line? It is drawn from the crest of the interdental septum between the molars to distal to the third molar. Or even you can extend it to the ascending ramus in this way. So the amber line indicates the alveolar bone covering the impacted tooth. Now the third one is red line. It should be drawn perpendicular to the amber line till the imaginary point of application of your elevator in this way. This also indicates the depth of tooth inside the bone. Now with the help of that knowledge, we can say correctly that in Winter's word line, amber line represents the bone level covering the impacted tooth. Point of application of elevator is red line. Relative depth of third molar is again red line. Axial inclination of the impacted tooth related to the second molar is white line.